All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Learn Forex with Ease. This is Sam Mande, and in today's class, I'll walk you through what we call market outlook, as we used to do. As you all know, most of you that join us on market outlook like this, you know how profitable and benefit it has always been for you. Last week we threw out some trades, and every played out. How many of you guys made money last week? I made a lot of money, and it was super sweetie amazing time. And this is another new week again, and we are coming to give you an expo and insight into what's going to be happening in this week two. So follow me right away. For example, as a matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I want to urge you, please and please subscribe to the channel so you can always get an update whenever we post something like this. And of course, more tips, benefits, educations, and training that could be helpful to you so that you don't miss any of them. So let's go into it. My first play for this new week is of course is EURJPY. Of course, you can see that this is an exhaustive bullish. A market exhausted is bullish and is about to what come back to this somewhere in 1 year or somewhere in 1 year. So this is a more or less like a counter trend trading. However, it's still quite clean. You can see that after the exhaustion market came back, respected this state, came back, we don't take away this one, came back. So I expect what should break this was this 1 2. Let me show you what should break and come down to this place. So I'm expecting that you can either enter at this point. Let me show you guys. Oh, sorry, my network. Let me refresh. So you can enter at that up top sniper or wait for it to break, then find your entry. So we have two entries on EURGBP for you. Let me show you. There are two entries for you to go about it. Enter at a sniper or wait for it here. You can enter somewhere around here. When it comes back to you, somewhere around here, find your home. Just wait for it to break this. This is the first bounce. This is the first bounce, second bounce, and third bounce. Every fourth bounce, there is always a growth. It go through. So you should break this and then find your entry and you break to and it push and put your stop loss up above here. That is for EURJPY. Guys, I'm super pumped because these are clean, and super interesting trades. Aside from that, I'm also looking for this baby. This baby called USD chef. Of course, I'm looking for a buy, a long. I'm already longing on this. You know that what it means, guys. I'm already longing on this, guys. You know, I'm already longing. So I expected a bit, test a bit, and a push. You should might want to do a bit with test or just jump when market opens. Anyone. So this is uh, a good, a good stop again as well. As soon as I say another one is also AUDUSD. I'm also always shorting on this. The last time we were here, we dropped a wick on this body on this zones, and we rejected. So I'm expecting the rejection. So this was the last two. We had the two rejections where we had a reversal inverter candlestick. Can you see this here? This is strong rejections, and then can you see the pattern? Let me show you for you clearer on for our time frame. So you can see the pattern. You can see this is more or less like a shoulder and a shoulder. This is the head, and you see I'm not going to book this and it testing back to this trend, to this cycle level again. So I certainly was to take away this one and come back to this point. So this is also what a short market. You can see the structure. So you can find your entry immediately market opens. One market open and give you confirmations. Just find your entry in. And this is one I'll be doing the short for the whole of the week. Don't forget, any trades we give you are going to be playing out for the whole of the week. Our signals are not just caps signals, but are they day trading signals. Whenever we give you to buy, just make sure that you're buying those straight for the whole of the week. We give it to sell. We are just going to sell those straight for the whole of the just keep finding your entry whenever you've been tested. You pull back, we test, pull back, find your entry, and make it for the whole of the week. So this is more or less a broader expo we're giving to every one of you guys. So expected to make the money for this new week. Aside from that, I'm also looking at this baby. Looking at this baby. CHF JPY. I'm looking at the shorts. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at the shorts. I'm looking at the shorts. So I'm looking at the shorts. This is market break here. I'm expecting a market break here. This is the highest and a hand break here. This is lowest. This is our trend line, break our trend line. I'm trying to reject it. Let me show you clear. Can you see this top this level here? This is where market the last layer market has rejection here. Rejection here. This is the rejection here. So if market breaks below here, it should definitely come down. Breaks below here. This pattern alone is showing an instruction that is the market lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's enabled to create a higher high. That is to what is trying to what break below. So I'm looking for a short on that zone as well. Another trade you're also looking at is I think I'm gonna say is Euro NZD, NZD, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this. Let me show you on daily time frame. Let me show you daily time frame. You can see the structure downwardly. You can see where market do the correction, double top. You can see the Mongol sell, and market is retesting. This retest can actually come back to this point and then to sell down to this point. Probably to this point, it will sell down to this point. But right now, it's retesting. If you want to make money on this NZD USD immediately, just enter a buy, possibly enter a buy. Yeah, you can see. Let me show you. Enter a buy. You might want to long till this point, to this cycle level or this, and then start shorting. Can you see? Just enter a buy. Just enter a small sapping buy. But how I will not be willing to take that. I'll be waiting for the long short so that I can short it extensively and make money. What else? What else? What else? I think that's so. Okay, I think I have gold. I think I have gold. Those that love gold, gold diggers, gold diggers. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Super exciting. Let's go, guys. You can see from here, we can see that what you can see the structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower lower, lower high. At this point, market change the structure. It failed to do a lower low issue, stopped here, and then continued the structure of itself. Market break this our trend line and we tested. So it should be finding. So it should be a more or less. You should be looking for a buy right now. You should be looking for a buy, a long right now. You can see. Market might want to dance a bit. Might want to dance a bit down to this point. Dance a bit, just like what it did here. It's what it did here. Dance to this point, then long. But if it doesn't, if it shows a Mongol short on this cycle level, it means that what market want to still want to further the short. That means this buying was just a fake out. It was not really a real break. So this kind of trade, you have to be very, very patient and look for extra confirmation. This might be a fake out. The breakout might be a fake out one. So you have to be very careful in this kind of setup. However, I might come here to show rejections, then push a long, then push it to long, push. However, it may also come down here and show a tick. Sellers are still in the market, break below here and come down, keep going, and continue this pattern as it has been doing. This is your sell. This is a shell trend. So on gold, you have to be very, very careful because it's quite tricky. Anything can happen. Wait for extra and extra confirmation before you enter. I hope you understand, guys, and I hope you get something from this video today. You let me know in the comment section which trade you will be willing to enter, which trade you'll be willing to take among all of this setup. Which one looks cleaner to you, looks amazing, look interesting, will speak more to you. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining me once again, guys, and I wish you a lovely and profitable week ahead, guys. Bye for now and peace out.